Lesson 13, Expressions with Rational Numbers. On 13.1, you're deciding if each statement is true or false. Number 1, negative 38.76 times negative 15.6 is negative. Would that be true or false? Okay, so that should be false, because negative times negative would be positive. $10,000 minus $99,999 is less than 0. Would that be true or false? That would be true. Number 3, 3/4 times negative 4/3 equals 0. That would be false. And number 4, 30 times negative 80 minus 50 is equal to 50 minus 30 times negative 80. That would also be false. 13.3, near and far from 0. For each set of values for A and B, evaluate the given expressions and record your answers in the table. So on the first row, we have A equals negative 1/2 and B is equal to positive 6. So what would negative A equal? Since A is already negative 1/2, the negative A would be positive 1/2. Negative 4 times B, so that would be negative 4 times positive 6. And we know 6 times 4 is 24, and negative times a positive is negative, so it would be negative 24. Negative A plus B, so we know that negative A is positive 1/2, so 1/2 plus positive 6 would be 6 1/2. A divided by negative B, A is negative 1/2 divided by negative B, so that would be negative 1/2 divided by negative 6, which would be positive 1/12. A squared, so negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 would be positive 1/4. B cubed, so that's positive 6 times positive 6 times positive 6 would be 216. For the second row, A is positive 1/2 and B is negative 6. So negative A, that would be negative 1/2. Negative 4B, so negative 4 times B. Negative 4 times negative 6 would be positive 24. Negative A plus B, which would be negative 1/2 plus negative 6, would give me negative 6 1/2. A divided by negative B, positive 1/2 divided by positive 6 is again 1/12. A squared, so 1/2 times 1/2 be positive 1/4. And B cubed, so negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6 would be negative 216, because that would be multiplying 3 negatives, which is an odd number. So on the third row, A equals negative 6 and B equals negative 1/2. Negative A would be positive 6. Negative 4 times B would be positive 2. Negative A plus B, 5 1/2. A divided by negative B, negative 12. A squared, positive 36. And b cubed would be negative 1/8. On number 2, when a equaled negative 1/2 and b equaled positive 6, which expression has the largest value? So b cubed had the largest value. Which expression has the smallest value? Negative 4 times b had the smallest value. Which expression is the closest to 0? That would be a divided by negative b, because my answer was positive 1/12. Number 3, when a is positive 1/2 and b equals negative 6, which expression has the largest value? Negative 4 times b, because my answer was positive 24. Which expression has the smallest value? Was b cubed. Which expression is the closest to 0? Still a divided by negative b. When a equals negative 6 and b equals negative 1/2, which expression has the largest value? Be a squared. Which expression has the smallest value? A divided by negative b. And which expression is the closest to 0? B cubed. Lesson 13 summary. We can represent sums, differences, products, and quotients of rational numbers and combinations of these with numerical and algebraic expressions. We can write the product of two numbers in different ways by putting the little dot between the factors. So negative 8.5 times x. Or we can just put them next to each other without any symbol, and it still would mean multiply. So negative 8.5x means negative 8.5 times x. We can write the quotient of two numbers in different ways as well. So negative 8.5 divided by x can also be written as a fraction, because the fraction bar means divided by. So negative 8.5 over x. When we have an algebraic expression like negative 8.5 over x and are given a value for the variable, we can find the value of the expression. For example, if x is 2, then the value of the expression is negative 4.25, because negative 8.5 divided by 2 is equal to negative 4.25.